guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I do have a canker sore and it hurts really bad, so I'm going to try to speed through this intro to get started, so I'm not like talking too much because it hurts pretty bad. So for today's video, I will be sharing another phone theme that is free and how to customize your phone. I have been seeing the iOS 14 for Apple iPhone users, and I think it's pretty cool, pretty neat that you guys will be able to customize your phones as well, because obviously Android users have been customizing and making their phones cute since way before, and you guys are finally on this journey with us. Not full on, because I know you guys lack some features that Android users have, but regardless, it is pretty neat to see all those videos on how people customize their phones. So today I decided to share another customization of my phone. I do have this particular phone case with one of my pop sockets here, and it's super colorful, super vibrant and pink, and I thought it was super cute and super fitting for this theme that I'm about to show you guys. I am showing you guys a full-on phone theme, but I will also be sharing with you guys two wallpapers that you guys could put for your home screen and your lock screen, and they will look really cute as well. So I feel like it will just match with the whole look of the phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you guys like it, and enough rambling, let's just get this video started. Alright, so this theme was originally $2.49 and it is now free. That is what it's called, and that is the creator. So I really like this one because it is animated. So it also has a packet of some tones. Super relaxing music, super fancy. And that is the ringtone right there. Alarm tone is similar. Such a cute notification sound. Love that package. And now I will be applying it to my phone. It says autumn pink cute rainbow unicorn. So I don't know what's autumn about this, but we're about to see how it looks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm screaming, y'all. Like, look at how beautiful this is. All right, so let's take a look. So first off, the background has this super cute flying little unicorn, and it has a bunch of stars, shooting stars, hearts, a little ice cream cone, and look at that. My Google search actually matches with the purples of the unicorn, so it matches perfectly. We have also this little rainbow, and then the icons are super cute. Some clouds and a rainbow. As you guys could see, we have little stars, a heart, and stars again, as well as these to flip the pages. Super cute. Look at this aesthetic. I feel like this one will also look really cute with other like theme wallpapers that I could just add to it, and it'll look really cute. Let's see, I'm gonna drop down just like a pink. So the phone is so cute. Oh gosh, I love when it has like the image like that. So this one has the unicorn image, some moon, shooting stars, hearts, all of that. Super cute. Let's take a look at the message. So the messaging looks like this. It just has like little star icons for the contacts, and then it has like a brown color, or kind of like a nude color, the nude color right here again, or it looks more salmon, I guess. And then the keyboard looks like this. It's pretty cute. I like the way that they made it, so it's very visible, like really cute layout to look at. And then we're gonna swipe up. This is how the rest of the icons look like, and my folders. So my folders are all categorized and they look like this. It's just like a little circle. And then this is how the rest of the icons look like. The calculator, the clock, messaging. They're very simple, but like very pastel, which I like. I really enjoy that. Our calculator is pink and the equal sign is green. Our clock is, ooh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. I couldn't even speak right now. So it just has like each of the alarms that I have just has like the image, but you can just see the little rainbow right there. So that's super pretty. The calendar is simple. So it just looks like this. And let's take a look at the actual animation. So let's see, always on display. Looks like this. So it just has a little unicorn image, shooting star, and a little heart and a star. And then let's see, is there, sorry, okay, there's no iris scanner, but this is the beautiful animation. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, so let's take a look. So pretty much we have the unicorn jumping over the rainbow and the clouds, and then we have a planet, and then all the hearts and stars move. I love when it's just not like the main image moving. It's literally everything in the sky just kind of moving, and I feel like it looks like very dreamy, very like fun. And look at the stars, they disappear and appear. I think that's super cute. I love this. This is such a beautiful theme. I also really enjoy the time it changes into this like font, and then this is how the whole phone looks like. So I really enjoy this animation theme. Love the icons, the wallpapers, very pretty, and I really enjoy the sound package. So try this theme out if you love unicorns and super girly stuff, because it is free right now, and it costs $2.49, but it's on sale, so check it out. So this is one of the wallpapers that I will be applying to this theme, and it's so cute, and I figured the unicorn would match. Here it is as a lock screen, so I'm going to set it as my lock screen, and it just looks like this. Look at how cute this lock screen looks like. Now I'm going to add a different one to my home screen. So this one is a really cute image, and I will be setting this one as my home screen. So it just looks like this. So it's just super cute tones, and I feel like it looks really well. Super, super cute with the icons, and I feel like they contrast really well, and it looks super, super cute. I love the colors of the icons with the purple hues, the blues, super pretty, and I feel like it looks really good. So I feel like this theme would really fit with this wallpaper. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, subscribe. If you haven't already, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.